There's a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of young minds around, and I feel it is a beautiful synergy between the investors, the startups, and the Deeptech mind.
I hope I will be able to channelize these startups into some of the use cases of problem statements that actually Indian Army needs.
It was great to know about what the startups are doing and how they can help BSF or armed forces.
Looking at the drone industry, I think there is tremendous potential. There is focus to make India a global drone hub by 2030.
The panel discussion that we had on the next frontier for drones in enterprise, agri and logistics was amazing.
Drone in defense, the network has to be very strong, and events like this definitely help there.
So India has all the technological prowess, and startups have to start building things for the future and not for today but for tomorrow.
And I feel the future is bright for Indian drone system.